Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook Force Stop. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook Force Stop, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click Force Stop. After that, you will enter to storage. Then you should to click here clear cache. When you will end this, you will enter to click clear data. And after all this stuff, as you see, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.